Hello everyone, my name is Jeff. I'm gonna presentate about my game jam that KodeKiddo made. This project is made on PixelPad, Python-based coding. Uh, you can do lots of things in PixelPad, and this is my project. So enjoy. In the first screen, you will see Lomba to Agustus. In this screen, there's a button. There's a play the game. This is very simple, but actually it's very hard to make this. When you touch the game, it will change into this screen. This screen is how to play game. The instructions. It's like how do you play this level or something like that. In this game, there's this little human. This is you, and like this is your teammate and the other ones are your enemies. This is a team point. This game will give you 1 point if you win it. So let's get on to it. In this game you have to click fast. It's very hard to win. It takes a long time, probably 1 minute. But you could finish this with with mouse if you can click fast. I'm just gonna skip this. As you see here, the rope is almost touching the edge. It has to be the middle rope so that you can move on to the next level. There's 2 levels in this game, so this is the next game. It's called Balap Karung. This game is like red light, green light, and yellow light because like it's hard. I wanted to make it harder. So when the green light is when green light, press the right arrow to move, and when red light, don't move or else you'll go back to the start. Because of the lag, there is yellow light. Yellow light is like it's like in the street lights. Yellow, red, yellow you can still move, but it's better to not move. Next. As you see here, there's 4 contestants again. This is and this is the light. The light will follow you. The camera is set on you. So, there's there's some typings in the chat because of the lag. So, and then when you get close to this point, you will win. Basically, you win after that. See? Thank you for hearing my presentation. I hope we still meet again later.